Welcome back, Rishinarana here, KIN235, the blue magnetic eagle, the blue eagle, the power of vision, the vision of your fulfilled life, breaking free from the rat race, spreading your wings and soaring, and from above, from the eagle's perspective, you can see the big picture of your life and also the details. What do you want to create as your vision of your fulfilled life? What do you need to be able to create this vision? This is what the blue eagle asks us to ponder. The challenge on tone 2 is the yellow warrior, the power of fearlessness, fearlessly going forward on your path. On tone 3, the red earth, staying grounded even when you fly high. And this Wavespell is a very healing Wavespell, because on tone 5, which is the chief, the boss of the Wavespell, is the blue storm, Kawak, the highest healing seal in the Sacred Galactic Calendar. And the essence of the Wavespell is the blue hand, the power of healing, the power of transformation. And the cards I was drawn to were the spirit animals. And actually a bird came out, not the eagle, but the owl, magic. Choose to know the truth because you can. Open your inner vision. You can see through deception. Let go of the past and make room for a better life. The vision of your fulfilled life. Rise up like the eagle. Magic and wisdom are your birthright. And the other two cards that came out, I didn't realize it in the first moment. Only when I thought a bit about it, I realized those are the two learning tasks, the two energies that have to be integrated in this Wavespell, because their signs are missing. And it's the white dog, the power of the heart, the power of self-love, the spirit guides, the spirit helpers, and the soulmates, and the red moon, the power of purification, of soul remembrance, self-remembrance, and acknowledging and accepting your feelings. Penguin, authentic. Reach out to your tribe, your soulmates, in times of need. Family gives you strength when you face the storm. Love your uniqueness. Love yourself. You are full of surprises. Break free from others' expectations. Just be yourself and love who you are. The dog, friend, today. Today I will love without condition, especially love myself. My energy and enthusiasm are an inspiration. I choose to be happy. I'm a protector and a friend. And, my friend, you are protected. You have a lot of protecting and helping spirit guides around you. Me yana diana doata yana kotonuku ata yana kotonuku. Wish you a wonderful day and a wonderful healing Wavespell. Namaste.